morning, friends. Today we are working on math. M-A-T-H. Math. Today for our math activity, we're going to do a counting game or a number recognition game. So all you'll need for this game is a table or a flat surface. Today I'm using my cookie sheet because I'm actually not sitting at a table. And you need a die or a one dice. So I have an extra large dice right here, but you can use a regular dice out of a game, or if you have any dice laying around the house. And if you don't have any dice, then the parents can draw dots or draw a number of objects and then let the children count the objects and write the number of how many. But just do, the dice has 6, so you can go 1 through 6 for now, since we're just using one die or one dice. All right, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna roll my dice, count the dots, and then write your answer down. I will give you a second to write it down. And if you said the number 3, you are correct. All right. Count the number of dots. I'll go in a little bit so you can see. I'll give you a second to write your answer down. And if you answered the number 6, you are correct. Roll my dice again. Count the dots. Here we go. Give you a second to write your answer. And if you said the number 2, or wrote down the number 2, you are correct. Thumbs up. I will roll my dice again. You want to try to see if you can roll the dice to get all of the numbers. And then you can play the game as many times as you want, but we'll just play it until we've achieved all of the numbers on the dice. So count the dots. Give you a second to write down your answer. And if you said the number 5 or wrote down the number 5, you are correct. All right, so we've done 2, 3, 5, and 6. All right, I'll roll. I want y'all to see that I'm really rolling the dice. Oops, it moved. Oops, we did that one already. Okay. Oh, we'll do this again. Count the dots. Write down your answer. And if you said or wrote down the number 5, you are correct. If I can get a number we haven't counted before. There we go. All right. Count what you see. That one was an easy one. You wrote down the number 1. You are correct. You guys are doing an awesome job on our math activity. Let's see if we can get the last number that we haven't done. There we go. All right, let's see. And count the dots. I'll give you a second to write your answer down or say your answer. And if you wrote down or said the number 4, you are correct. You guys get a huge 2 thumbs up for our math activity. Something simple. Parents, you can use 2 dice and challenge them to see. They all should definitely be counting up until 20 and be able to count touching each object or pointing at each object. So you can use 2 dice. We just started with 1 today just as a sample activity, but you can use 2 dice, roll the dice, have them count the dots, and then write down their answer or say their answer. But we want to get them to write the answer just as an additional challenge and for writing practice and number recognition. So, hope you enjoyed our math activity. Just something simple, quick, and easy for today. Thanks so much.